Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Rouen, France, and I'm at the Joan of Arc church. So let me show you what this looks like, but surrounding it is just crazy stuff. Let's take a look. Look at these buildings. Are these amazing? This little square, and little restaurants, and little bistros, and little cafes. Man, you could just hang out here and drink your coffee and enjoy your stay. And this isn't even the church yet, but look at these wonderful wooden buildings. I mean, they're just amazing and very, very, very cool. Amazing. And now that is the Joan of Arc church. And so let me see what it says on this wall over here. It says sculptures, blah, 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 blah. So a bunch of blah, blah, blahs. I can't read it, so. Oh, now this one I can make out the first word. Joan of Arc, le pire francesca renaissance. Décide par la Parlement 1926, monument et inauguré le. I know, I just butcher it to death, don't I? Anyway, this is the Joan of Arc Church. And they have a history sign. And I think did you get all that? So this is the Joan of Arc Church. Let me go in here and look. And I think the stained glass is really the clincher here. This is what tells the story. And I think it's the story of Joan of Arc in the stained glass. And it's pretty amazing. I'm trying to walk downstairs and not kill myself. And the building itself is pretty amazing. Okay. There's really not much to this. I mean, I think it's just really the building and the stained glass that tell the story. And I think they have a Joan of Arc tour, because I know it's shown up on my map a couple of times, but I don't know for sure. It certainly is a neat building. I'm going to see if I can do some pictures on the outside, but I think this is the picture that is supposed to capture her. Very cool. Okay, everybody, thanks for coming along. Bye, everybody.